Excellent. We're back to the forest trip now. Excellent job. I think you're ready to take our trip. Be sure to point out the animals to the children while you are outside. The more you will find, the more the kids will learn. Let's go. Okay? So you have to point the animal. If it is coral, then you got to drag and just point out. Okay, let us do. Spot the animal. Now, this is deer. Squirrel. Now, rabbit. Squirrel. Rabbit. Deer. Squirrel. Woodpecker. Deer. Sparrow. Woodpecker. Rabbit. Great job! You have spotted the animals. Thank you. You have done a great job, kids. Let us go to the next level, okay?